Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to delve into the world of text formatting in Microsoft Word. Effective text formatting can make your documents more visually appealing, easier to read, and professional looking. Whether you are creating a simple letter or a complex report, mastering text formatting will significantly enhance the quality of your documents. Let's start with the basics of text formatting. In Word, you have complete control over how your text looks, including its font, size, color, and style. To format text, simply select the text you want to format, let it be the first line. Then use the formatting options available in the font group on the Home tab of the ribbon. First, let's talk about fonts. A font is a set of characters with a specific style and size. Word comes with a variety of built-in fonts to choose from, ranging from classic serif fonts like Times New Roman to modern sans serif fonts like Arial. You can change the font of your text by selecting it and then choosing a font from the font drop-down menu on the ribbon. I am dragging it down and you can see how my font is changing. I will choose this one, Arial Black. Click on it and the font is changed. Next, let's discuss font size. The size of your text determines how large or small it appears on the page. You can change the font size by selecting your text and then choosing a size from the font size drop-down menu on the ribbon. Alternatively, you can type a specific size into the font size box and press Enter. So you can change the size of your font up here. I will choose 28 for example, or I can select the text I want to change and just click up here and change it to the other size, for example 20, and press Enter. And the font was changed. In addition to font and size, you can also change the color of your text to add emphasis or create visual hierarchy. To change the text color, select the text you want to change and then click on the font color drop-down menu on the ribbon up here. You can choose from a range of predefined colors or select more colors to create a custom color. I will choose the blue one. Another way to enhance your text is by applying font styles such as bold, italic, underline, or strike-through. These styles can help draw attention to important information or add emphasis to specific words or phrases. To apply a font style, select the text you want to format and then click on the corresponding button in the font group on the ribbon. For example, the bold one, italic, and underline. Perfect! Paragraph formatting is another essential aspect of text formatting in Word. Paragraph formatting includes options such as alignment, indentation, and line spacing. You can align your text to the left, to the right, center, or justify it to align with both the left and right margins. You can also adjust indentation to create paragraph indents or heading indents. Line spacing controls the amount of space between lines of text, allowing you to adjust readability and appearance. Let's select the text I would like to align. After that, I can go to Paragraph tab and here or center it, or align it to the right, or align it to the left, or align it by both sizes. Perfect. By mastering text formatting in Microsoft Word, you'll have the power to create professional-looking documents that effectively communicate your message. In the next lesson, we'll explore advanced formatting techniques including styles and themes to take your documents to the next level. Bye-bye.